what's going on, everybody? Welcome once again to Granite TV. I'm your host, Nelson Arevalo Jr., and welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. 25% of people that watch my channel are subscribed and 75% are not. So don't be part of that 75%. Show me that love and support. You guys already know the vibes. Today, guys, we have a review and unboxing of the Adidas Yezzy Slide Granite in the Granite colorway. But before I begin, guys, I do have to say that this video is sponsored by, yep, you guys see it, the brand right there, N-Line, baby. Check me out on Instagram at NLineNYC. And if you want to cop a shirt, if you want to cop a hoodie, dropping a Halloween capsule soon, check out my website, NLineNYC.com. Thank you guys so much. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the review and unboxing. Guys, we got the Yezzy Slide. This is the box right here. Boom. Says Slide up on top. Same box as always. Always consistent. So Yezzy Slide Granite, size 9. Okay, that's interesting. So in the UK is 9 and the US is 9 too. And then it says F43, not sure what that is. But yeah, these are made in China. And boom, let's just get right into it. Just wasting time over here, but boom, right here, let's just get right into it. Right off the bat, guys, you can see that is a very, very dark gray color. If you compare these to the Onyx colorway, Onyx is a darker tone. So this is dark gray. It actually looks darker in person. It's just that my lights make it even like more lighter gray, but in person they look dark. I have also here the slate gray version. So if you guys can see, slate gray is the size 13. Can you guys tell the difference? I don't know. So this is the slate gray. And then this is the Granite. I don't know. It's very hard to say, but I think I would say that the slate gray is maybe lighter by a tad and maybe more bluer, but they're very similar, very similar. On the outsole, we have those teeth. You guys already know the vibes. Rah, rah, rah. The waves on the bottom. Sizing, guys, go half. Go full size up. Go full size up. There's no half sizes in Yeezy, so go the next size up. If you have regular feet, like regular skinny feet, but if you have wide feet, go 2 sizes up. And if you really have some really wide feet like me, I had to go a whole 3 sizes up. So these actually fit me, the 13. That's crazy. I'm a 13 in these, but not keeping them. I do love me some Yeezy stuff, very comfortable and all that, but not keeping them. But yeah, this is the Granite colorway. Boom. Adidas logo in there. What can we say about this? Simple, beautiful, classic. Let's go, guys. If you enjoyed this review, hit a thumbs up. Again, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram at NLineNYC and check out my merch, NLineNYC.com. Thank you so much. Until the next one, adios.